Hey guys, are you looking for a helper in making a bow? Well, let me introduce you to this bow maker. Let me tell you something else. This one is such a handy thing. Instead of wire, y'all, I just use a little pipe cleaner, a little cheap pipe cleaner, but you can put that wire or pipe cleaner, whatever you're using to tie the center of your bow, right down the middle of this, and then we're going to turn it this way, and then I'm going to show you a little trick. This is one-sided ribbon, so I'm going to twist and put this ribbon in here, and then I'm going to start making my loops. So each time I come through here, since it is one-sided, I'm just going to twist. Y'all, anybody can make a bow with one of these makers. Like, it's just not hard. So every time I come back through here, I am just going to make my loop and twist. And I'm going to make my loop and I'm going to twist. Now, you can put that wherever you want it. I'm going to take my next ribbon and I'm just going to keep doing the same thing. I'm going to pop that down in there. Nope, I didn't twist, did I? I'm going to twist. I'm going to put it in there and twist. I am going to put it in there and twist. And twist in the right spot. Put it in there and twist. And right back out the same way. Now this last one I'm not going to twist because it's going to be one of my tails. So once you've done that, all you have to do is take your wire or your pipe cleaner and I get a hold of it here. You're going to pull that bow up till it's almost to the top here. And then I just make a little knot. And as I'm lifting that out of there, I'm just going to tighten it. And there you have it. Guys, you have a bow. Look at that. I'm not that talented, and let me tell you, just that fast you have a bow. Get you one of these bow makers.